In this video, we'll do a project retrospective so we can continue to improve. So let's start with what went well. Overall, I really think this project went a lot smoother than some of our previous projects. And a big reason for that is because we worked locally on the MacBook instead of working off of my server. So if you watched the last big project, big tutorial that we did with the Golden Hour Fields project, there were some technical issues that we encountered, just some slow performance issues. And at the end of that, we identified that working off the server was a potential issue. And since we didn't have that this time, that probably means that was the issue. I didn't really mention it, though, because something I didn't mention, I should say, between the last project and this one, I've had some issues with my router disconnecting randomly, just having some other network issues as well. So it would make sense that there are some network issues that I have going on. So working locally is the way to go. So what didn't go well? Honestly, I think this project was smooth sailing, but the interest of always improving, there's always things to find. I can nitpick and find something. And I really would say that I think some of the shots that we had were blown out due to the sun's harsh light. You just get that harsh light from the sun. So part of the face or part of the skin gets blown out. So what can we do better next time? I think that really incorporating the diffuser more. I did use a diffuser in the shoot for some of the shots, as I mentioned in the tutorial, but I didn't bring my C-stand to be able to set the diffuser up off camera. So literally I had the camera, I'll be taking the shots, through the camera, and then I'll be holding the diffuser in the other hand as I was taking the pictures for a lot of the shots that I was using the diffuser on. But of course, that means that I have to be positioned between the sun and the subject, at least in this case. So I had to, sun had to be behind me to take those shots. So we had some shots where, of course, the sun's off to a different angle, depending on the angles we're doing. And so I would need the diffuser to be off camera, basically with my C-stand to be able to do that. And I didn't bring it with me. Now, one of the reasons for that was because I didn't think that I would need it where our original location was. The original location we were going to shoot at was actually closed. There was construction nearby, so we couldn't get there. So shooting at the parking garage was a last-minute decision. I didn't really anticipate that change of location. But, and this is about how we can improve in the future, I probably should just throw it in the car anyway, just in case. So now it's your turn. What did you learn from this project? Let me know. Until then, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you at the next project.